Hi, I'm David Cantor with the law offices of David Michael Cantor. Today I'm going to talk about Mesa City DUIs or criminal court arrests. Now when I say Mesa City, I'm referring to any arrest that's occurred with a Mesa City police officer. If you were arrested by DPS or Sheriff's Office, this doesn't apply to you because it'll be a different court. Now when you're arrested by Mesa PD, they'll take you down to one of 7 police stations. The main station is at 133 North Robeson. The central station is at 120 North Robeson, just down the street at Country Club in Maine. Now the Dobson station is at Dobson and Madero Avenue. The Fiesta station is at Alma School and Southern over by Fiesta Mall. The Mesa Metro station is at Juanita and Country Club Avenue. The Red Mountain station is at Greenfield and University, and the Superstition station is at South Ellsworth and East Medina Roads. Now, if you're taken to any one of these 7 stations for a DUI, most likely they're going to draw blood, or they may have taken you to a DUI van to draw blood. Either way, once you're done at the station or the van, when you're released, they're going to hand you a ticket that tells you need to be in court at one specific courthouse, and that's the Mesa Municipal Courthouse or City Courthouse. That's located at 250 East 1st Avenue. That's Main and Mesa Drive roughly, a little bit to the south. Now once you go there, you're going to park behind the station to the north in a parking garage, and it's free, or you can park out front on the street, and that's also free. Once you go inside, make sure that you're dressed appropriately. No baseball hats, no sunglasses, flip-flops, or shorts. Make sure you look your best. Now when you go to court, this particular courthouse makes you go every single time. Average case lasts 6 to 9 months, so you're going to miss 6 to 9 days of work or school. Now, the best way to maximize your chance of success is to hire a lawyer, because when we go into the court, we know the judges, and the judges are as follows. In courtroom 301 is Judge Robin Allen. Now Robin's been on the bench the longest. He's a good guy, a little bit prosecution oriented in my book, and can be a little bit difficult with defendants who aren't represented. Valerye Boyle-Wells, she's great. She's in courtroom 302. I like Valerye. Michelle Lusang, again, another pleasant woman that's good with defendants. She can be very reasonable. Karl Eppich, he's in courtroom 304. Victor Ortiz, he's in 305. Now, Victor used to be a defense attorney, but sometimes I find he can be a little bit state-oriented in his rulings. And finally, the presiding judge in courtroom 202 is Judge Matias Tafoya. Now, Judge Tafoya used to be a judge in the city of Phoenix back when I was a prosecutor. Matt Tafoya, I like Matt. He grew up in Globe. He used to be a boxer back in the day, and he's a good guy, but he's more of the administrative judge that runs the whole show. Also in the in-custody courtroom, if you were held to see a judge, you went in front of Judge Elizabeth Arriola. Now, Judge Arriola used to be over in Superior Court. She's very pleasant, probably set a low bond or release you on your own recognizance, hopefully. Now, if you've been charged with a DUI or any crime, you want to stack the cards in your favor. So come on in to see us. We don't charge anything to meet with you, but it does take about 30 minutes to meet with you, and we'll go over your case with you from top to bottom and hopefully find a way out of this for you. Mesa City Court, we consider that to be our home court, and we have a home court advantage.